Welcome to our tutorial on the stiffener command. I'm going to use this sketch to create a stiffener against these two faces. First, let's see how this sketch has been created. It's sketch number 2 in the specification tree. When I right-click and select Parents Children, I see the support plane. It's plane number 1. Okay, cancel. Plane 1 is hidden. Let's right-click and swap it to Show. Now we see the supporting plane right here. Basically, I have offset this plane from this face. View, Toolbar, Reference Elements, Plane. Under Reference, I'm going to choose this face. Now I'm going to offset it by 2 inches and click OK. Right now I'll just cancel though. Now when I double-click on this sketch, you can see that the projection of this line intersects with both of these faces, but the line itself doesn't intersect. Let's exit the sketch, and we'll click on the background to deselect everything. Okay, let's activate the stiffener command in the Sketch-Based Features toolbar. With the Profile selection field highlighted, I'll select Sketch 2. And here is a preview of our stiffener. Let's enter a thickness of 0.1 inch. Hit your Tab key. Checking the neutral fiber checkbox indicates that a rib will be created in 2 directions. You can click on this arrow to change the extrude direction. Let's activate the neutral fiber. Here you see a preview of the extrusion. It's moved a little bit. The extrusion will be made in both directions from the plane where the sketch was made. Click Preview and OK. And we have our stiffener. Let's right-click and delete it. Double-click on Sketch 2. I'm going to extend this line. You clearly see that this line crosses both these faces. Let's exit. And now let's select the stiffener command. We'll leave the same options in and click Preview. You see CATIA has generated a preview for us. Click OK, and we have our stiffener. Let's delete it. Right-click, Delete. Let's go back and modify our sketch again. Oops! What I'll do now is drag this point. Now you see the projection doesn't intersect with this face. Let's exit. Click on the background to deselect everything. And let's try to create our stiffener again. In the Profile selection, I'm going to select the sketch again, but I've got an error message, Invalid Profile Body. Let's click again. Click Cancel. Basically, in order to create a stiffener, a profile has to intersect with the faces, or the projection of the profile needs to intersect with the faces. Let's close this. Let's create a couple more stiffeners. Let me hide the sketch and the plane. Let me bring sketch number 3 out. Sketch number 3 was created in the same way, that is, on the plane offset from this face. Okay, I'm going to activate the Stiffener command. And I'll select Sketch 3 and click Preview. I can change the thickness and select or deselect the neutral fiber options. Here I can also reverse the direction. Click Preview. Clicking on this arrow allows you to reverse direction as well. We can also choose a mode. Right now, From Side is selected. What that means is that the extrusion will happen in the plane and the thickness will be added normal to the plane. If I choose From Top, the extrusion will happen normal to the profile plane. Okay, and let's delete it. Let's try one more stiffener. Let's hide this and bring out profile number 4. Okay, activate the Stiffener command. Select From Top from our mode area and select Profile 4. Let's preview to see what happens. CATIA has created a profile from more than one line. But if I try to choose the From Side, I get an error message. Let's cancel. And this concludes our tutorial on the Stiffener command.